So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your product in your SokoSQ store. The very first step is to log on to your SokoSQ dashboard. Head on to web.sokosq.com and load it up. Now, once you are in here, you have to navigate through the menu on the left hand side of your screen to products. Then you click on add products. The very first step is to put a name, which in this case would be gentleman man glasses. Okay, so and your next step is to put in a befitting description, and in this case I would say glasses for men beyond the known variable. That's just a placeholder. Then you add it to your collection. There is a separate tutorial on how to create collections and manage your collections in your SokoSQ store. If you want to understand how that works, just click on what pops up on the right hand side of your screen, or head on to our playlist of videos and navigate to what is titled store collections. But for this video, I have created a placeholder collection so that the flow can continue. Right, after adding your collections, the very next step is to add product images. You can add more than one image, but for this example we'll be adding just one. And there we go, uploading. Oh yes, and voila, we have that. Then we add a product slug. You could decide to leave this field empty. It will be generated automatically when you save. So, but for this case, let's just leave it empty. Let's see what it generates for us. Then you are meant to add a product guide. Again, there is a separate video dedicated to creating product guides. Just click what pops up on the right hand of your screen, and if nothing comes up, head on to our playlist of tutorials and search for the video how to set up product guides. Now, the very next step, you have two options. It's either you create product variants, or you just put in your cost price and selling price, discounted price, core quantity, yada yada yada. But here is the difference. For instance, if you have a product that has different sizes, perhaps a piece of clothing that has different sizes, but in this case glasses that probably has different colors, red, blue, yellow, green, black, blah blah blah, and you want to manage the purchase on each of those variants, and it is possible that each of these variants have different costs and you want to manage those as well, then you use product variants. But then if it doesn't have any variants, it's just one product, it has one specification, there's nothing changing in any way, you can just go on to add a cost price, a selling price, a discounted price, your stock quantity, an SKU number, just 001, and ensure this is toggled on and save. But then if your product has variants, different sizes, different shapes, different colors, then you would need to create a variant, and this is how you do it. First step, you toggle your product variant on, then click on add new option. Then for in this case, the variant will be having will probably be color. So we create the option color. So let's say for this it is red. We have red, then we might also have blue, we could also have black, and perhaps green. however it is. You click on save, and then you have all of the variants. You can input different cost prices, different selling prices, different discounted prices, different stock quantity, and SKU number for each of the variants, and then you can save. So let's just fill that in real quick. And here we go, 285 in stock, counting each of the variants separately, cost price ranging from 800 to 17, and so on. So now let's go check our storefront to see how it looks with products now added. Okay, so this is the collection men glasses. This is the product we just added, gentleman glasses. Now if you click on it, as you can see, we have different variants. We have red, blue, black, green, and different prices from 1,200. So if it's red, it is 1,2. If it's blue, it is 1,000. If it's black, it is 1,9. If it's green, it is 1,5. Then you could do whichever one you choose, put in quantity, add to cart, and there you go. Your product is functional on your SokoSQ store. And that's it for today's tutorial. See you in the next.